Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Costa Mesa, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers will take over the entire moving process for you. From packing to unpacking, our professional licensed moving company has a wide variety of services to meet all of your moving needs. We will arrive right on time so that you don't have to wait to get settled into your new place. Our quality services come at prices that you can afford, and you'll know from the start exactly what to expect when we provide you with a free quote. You're hitting the road, off to a new place in another state or country. You've got an endless list of things to do, and packing and moving isn't one of them. That is most likely because getting ready for a big move is overwhelming. Not to worry, 3 Movers has you covered. We can pack up all your belongings for you in packaging designed to keep your valuables safe for the long journey, and we will transport it to wherever you need to go. You're as trendy and artsy as it gets in Costa Mesa, and you can't imagine thriving anywhere else. Moving nearby was the best decision for you, but you forgot that moving also means packing and getting your things to your new space. Instead, let our movers get you packed and resettled in just a few hours so you can enjoy your evening stroll out in the town. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Costa Mesa moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.